Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marisa Aranel from Philippines, living in Batangas, 46 years old, married with 4 kids, 28, 26, 23, and 21. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister. I am the type of person friendly, happy, understanding, good listener. I love to listen to the music, walking, jogging. In my off day, I'm going to church, and after that to meet my friend. I'm working in Singapore in 12 years. My first employer is Chinese two adults from April 11, 2014 to February 26, 2018. They live in condo. My main duties is cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking. And then my reason to leave is completed contract. My second employer is Chinese family from May 9, 2018 to August 24, 2018. They are 5 adults, 2 maids, plus 1 dog. They live in 2-story bungalow. My main duty is cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, looking a small dog. Reason to leave is not compatible with my co-helper. My third employer is Indian vegetarian family from August 24, 2018 to January 22, 2022. They live in condo, 2 adults plus 2 kids. 3 years old and newborn. My main duty is infant and young children care. For the infant, I do showering, giving milk, feeding, put to sleep, and sometimes we're going to the playground. I bring it to the playground, and also cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry, grocery. Reason to leave is completed contract. My fourth employer is Canadian family from January 22, 2022 to January 22, 2024. There are 2 adults and 1 newborn. They live in condo. My duty is infant care since newborn. Also sending and pick up the baby from the center school. Also cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking. Reason to leave is completed contract. My fifth employer is from South African from January 22, 2024 to October 27, 2025. They live in also condo, 2 adults and 2 boys, 6 years old and 12 years old. My main duty is taking care of 2 boys. Also cooking, ironing, laundry, and marketing. I also sometimes sending and pick up the boys from the school. The reason to leave is the previous helper coming back to work with them. My sixth employer is Indian family, vegetarian, from November 27, 2025 up to present. They live also on condo, 2 adults and 1 kids. Reason to leave, it's hard for me to do the ironing because they never hang the clothes. They put the clothes inside the washing machine for 3 minutes so they fully dry, and also there's no enough food. I hope I can join to your family soon. Thank you, mom and sir.